Hello and welcome to another Army Men review. I am Army Men Life, and this is the anti-aircraft combat tanks made by BMC Toys, made in USA. Basically, it's a remake of the 1960s classic Army Men M42 Duster AA vehicles. It's part of the classic Army Men Collector series made by the BMC Toys. Licensed in 2019. Always 2019. It features rolling wheels. It features 1/48 scale of size. Warning: small parts not for children under 3 years old. Ages 5 and up. And let's get this thing cracked, shall we? So, when I first pulled this thing out, oh wow. I get this. Very nice. Very nice indeed. Apparently, if this thing comes off, you just do that. Then it comes with stickers, and then it gives you a little bit of advertisement, like you can get those or those. Make your collection a little better. These things are basically anti-air. That's what they're basically are. They're basically anti-air. So, see? And I will be using these in my film. Also. So let's analysis both the green and the tan. Oh. Pause if you want to read this. If you want to get this. Okay. Here's some stickers. Let's analysis this. On the bottom, it has wheels. Wheel here, wheel here. It's like the remake, it has these wheels carved out in plastic. And then the same thing for the tans. It has a wheel here and a wheel here. The wheels carved out here in plastic. It has a turn that goes up and down, side by side. Same thing with the other one. Now the design on these are good. Front, side. Yeah, this is a good remake. Right here. Eventually, I will get these. Eventually, I will. For a collection. Especially these. There's that paratrooper guy. That looks really awesome. The boat. And these other poses. I could really use them. So. Oh, that one too. So, I'm going to get those eventually. Line them up. So, here's what you get at the end. Right here. This is what you get. You get 2 tans, 2 greens. All with the rotating. And up and down turrets. You get all of them with 2 wheels. Then you get 2 green with the 2 tan. You get stickers, and you get like this if you want to do something for display, and you get this advertisement thing so you can buy other ones. That's basically it. That's all there is to it. And thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you haven't. Armament out.